morning, Year 2. It's Friday the 12th of February, and that's it for this half term. We made it! Yay! A big well done to you all. The home learning we're seeing, we are really, really impressed. And a big well done to your grown-ups too. They've had to become teachers this last half term. So well done to all of those grown-ups. So let's crack on with our final maths session for this half term. Now, I know most of you will have had your home learning packs, but we are doing this booklet today. After half term, we'll be doing the new booklets, but for today, we're doing this booklet, okay? So, here's Bob. He's ready to warm up. Doesn't mean we're going to go for a run around the field. It means we're going to warm up our brains and our minds and let us get ready. And I've got a game for us today. Now, we're all going to play it together on my board, but after, if you want to, you just need to go on www.topmarks.co.uk, okay? And it's called Coconut Ordering. So, let's see what it's about. Here we are. Now, we've been looking at measure, haven't we? Been looking at measure. So Mrs. O'Keefe is going to look at length, and we're going to look at centimetres. And we're going to be looking at that today. That's going to be our new learning today, what a centimetre is. But for now, we're going to ignore the centimetre bit by the side, and we're just going to have a look at the number. And this says smallest. And here it says largest. So all of those coconuts there, I need the smallest number first. Will it be 1 centimetre, 3 centimetre, 2 centimetre, 8 centimetre, or 5 centimetre? What do we think? Let's try. 1 centimetre. Well done, we knocked our coconut off. What would come next? So moving up. So 1 centimetre is our smallest, but we are getting to the largest number. So what would come after 1 centimetre? Have a look. 2 centimetres. Well done. We've got 1 centimetre, 2 centimetre, 3 centimetre. Well done. Now, I don't have a 4 centimetre. So out of these two numbers, 8 and 5, I need to see which one would come next. Now, I know 8 is the largest number, so that's going to be my last coconut, okay? So I think 5 comes before 8. We're right. Last coconut. 8 centimetres. Let's check that we're right. It says brilliant. That's right. So fantastic, Year 2. You can have a go at doing that, okay? At home on Top Marks, the coconut game, and it's measuring. So today, still continuing with our measuring, here we are, page 25. Okay, looking at page 25. And it's can I begin to understand how to measure using a ruler? Now, Mrs. O'Keefe, look at this. A really big ruler. Now, don't worry if you don't have a ruler at home, okay? Don't worry if you don't have a ruler at home, because in your pack, you have the rulers that you need for today. So that's all we need is your pack on page 25. So here's my ruler. And here it says CM, cut and a M, CM. And when we see them, those letters together, it means centimetres. And all of these jumps here, let me get my pen, all of these jumps here are centimetres. So 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres, 4 centimetres, 5 centimetres, all the way up to the top number on our ruler. Okay, so they are centimetres. Now, Now today, we're looking at centimetres, and some rulers might have lots of little lines in between their centimetres. So this one didn't. It just shows our centimetres. But this one has our centimetres, which is the big bold line, okay? But it also has lots of little lines too. And those little lines are millimetres. And we have 10 millimetres, 10 of those little lines for 1 centimetre. Okay, so we need to remember that 10 millimetres is 1 centimetre. Oh, now I've got a little friend on my board. It's a sausage dog. It's a sausage dog. And we are going to look at how long is the sausage dog. Now in your pack on number 1, it says how long is the toothbrush. Now, just like before when we're measuring, it's important we always start at the same point. And when we're using a ruler, we need to start at 0, okay? That is the beginning of our ruler, 0, and it moves up. So we put the dog on 0. There he is. Miss Ghaffari loves sausage dogs. So this is what inspired me. There's our sausage dog. I start in there, and I'm going to see how far on my ruler he goes to. So I've started on 0, and he's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimetres. So our sausage dog is 5. And can we remember what those 2 letters I need mean? Can we remember? Centimetres. 5 centimetres, okay? So our sausage dog is 5 centimetres. So for you in your pack, look at the toothbrush, see what number it goes up to, and you just need to write in there how many centimetres long your toothbrush is. Let's move on. Oh, now. Number 2 in your pack says, draw a car that is 12 centimetres. Now remember, if you don't have a ruler, it's okay, because you have a ruler in your book. Okay, and you can draw your car here, but it needs to be 12 centimetres. So Mrs. O'Keefe's going to show us on the board. Now I've got draw a worm that is 7 centimetres long. So remember, I said when we're drawing, we need to start at what number? 0. And it's got to go all the way up to number 7. All right, so looks a bit like a snake. There's my worm. It starts at 0 and it goes all the way to 7 centimetres. So just like in your book, you need to draw a car that is 12 centimetres. 12 centimetres. Now, can you draw a house that is 9 centimetres tall? Oh, okay. So we're not looking at the length. We're looking at how tall it is now. So I need to start on 0. Oh, this is going to be a really big house for me. And I need to do it to what number? Oh, 9. I think Mrs. O'Keefe might change this though, because on my board you're not going to see. So I think I'll draw my house to 7 centimetres, just so you can see it, okay? Otherwise it's going to go off the board. Start here. Go up. Here's my house. Oh, my roof, I need to go to 7. Let me see, not gone past 7. Draw my windows. And even when we're measuring how tall it is, we still start at 0, okay? And I've gone all the way up to 7 centimetres. I know it did say 9, but you wouldn't have seen it, okay? So just for today, Mrs. O'Keefe's changed it to 7, just so you could see it on the board. So on here, you're drawing a tree that is 3 centimetres tall. So using your ruler next to it, you're going to draw your tree that is 3 centimetres tall. Right then, I've got a challenge for you. Mrs. O'Keefe's challenge today. Can you find objects around your house? Measure them using centimetres. Now, I know you said you didn't need a ruler, and that's fine, because you've all got rulers in your book. So go and get little toys. You might have little Imaginext toys. You might have pieces of Lego. Put them at the 0. See what number they get up to, and have a go at writing them on your whiteboard. If you don't want to measure in using sentences, just have a look at measuring which is the tallest, which is the shortest, which is the longest, okay? Send them all in on pictures. I can't wait to see them. Well done, Year 2.